Hi guys, I've never seen my Barbie before. Now, she's so large compared to me. See? So normally I like to dress her up. Only this is her outfit for gymnast. That's actually a gymnast outfit for her. Yeah, like this is actually her gymnast outfit. Like a top, just not to make her hot when it's gymnast time. And the skirt. Today is just an interview. I'll make more videos. This is just so cool. This is how I tied it in the back. And normally this is her scarf for now. And bye.